My name is Master and I'm also from grade 4.
Welcome everyone. Today we're gonna learn how to make delicious pizza from scratch. We will start by making the dough, then move on to the toppings. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to make your own homemade pizza to impress your family and friends. Ingredients that we need to make the pizza. We need flour, yeast, salt, olive oil, warm water, tomato sauce, and cheese. Toppings of your choice. Tomato sauce, shrimp, and cheese. Step 1. Making the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, 1 package of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. 2. Slowly add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and warm water to the mixture while stirring. Get that. Three. Continue to stir until the mixture forms a ball of dough. 4. Knead the dough on a flour surface for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. 5. Place the dough in a bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 30 minutes.
Step 2. Prepare the topping. Number 1. Preheat the oven. Number 2. Spread tomato sauce on the pizza dough, leaving about an inch of space around the edge. Number 3. Sprinkle cheese on top of the tomato sauce. Number 4. Add your toppings, such as warm water, tomato sauce, and olive oil. Step 3. Baking the pizza. Number 1. Place the pizza in the oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted. Number 2. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cook for a few minutes before cutting it. Congratulations! You have just made your own homemade pizza from scratch. You can experience with different toppings, make your own unique pizza creation.